Hey guys, welcome to another video of Creative Media Web. Now, today what we're going to be doing is we're going to make something somewhat like this. Now, you may think that's a little hard, others may think, really, you're going to go through this? That is easy, I can do that in 3 seconds. Now, yes, you may, but for the others, just be patient. You guys are just starting, and yeah, so you have to be patient with them. And okay, so, and if you do it right, we should end up like something like this. Alrighty, so let's clear this out. Now, I'll clear that out first. Now, let's start. So, now, okay, I need to clear something up first. With the sites that I've got here, the many sites I have here actually. Now, if you want me to do a tutorial or a video on how to set up a site with a testing server, a remote view, everything, I will actually record one for you if there are enough people who actually want to see a video of that done. Now, let's get started. What we're going to do is a few things. We're going to want a single text line, a link, a image, obviously, and a image link. Now, I probably won't put the image link in, only because it's a little area, and yeah. So yeah, let's do this. So P. Okay, I'm gonna explain first. So P. Okay, these characters here actually define the web page as it does. So P is for paragraph, and it tells the web page that you're showing a paragraph. So say if I open the page, this is a paragraph, so it will define the text in there. Okay, so in here we're gonna say my big ol' web page! Exclamation mark. Now you don't have to do that, you can do whatever you want, but yeah. Okay, now the next is an image, a link actually. So what a link is you click on some text that is a link, and it takes you to another page. Now there's a lot more than just a bit of text that takes you to another page. It's a simple line of code which tells the page which page to go to, if it's in a new tab, a new window, in an iframe, in an alert box, which is very complicated JavaScript and jQuery. Okay, so let's get started. So we want to open the bracket. Ahref equals HTTP, and we're going to go to google.com. So www.google.com. Oops, let me go back. And okay, so we'll put in here. We'll say click here to go to Google. We might want to capitalize that because it's a thing. And if we do something, say what this, and it will get a link and it will take us to Google. Now it will, and we're here. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, so now the next thing we want is an image. Now I made one earlier, image 1. Now I don't know if double clicking that is going to do anything, so I'm not sure. Anyway, alrighty. Alright, so what an image is practically an image. So if we say we put cheese here, we can say it will show an image of a piece of cheese here. Alrighty, so to do that, we want to open the bracket. We want to type img for short for image, and we want source, which is src, and we want to browse for our, well, we don't want to browse, we want to type in the link or the file directory link to the image. So mine is in images image1.png. Now, yours don't have to be like that. It could be in something, say, source image, or source ink, image, thumb, small, and it could be image1. But no, you don't have to do it like mine. Now, hold on. Now, to do something, say you've got a page and your image is 2 folders as in the main directory. Instead of having to do, say, another images folder inside here, no, you don't have to. We can just do 2 operators and a /. Now, that will not work now because we don't have anything else in that page, but yeah, you can see that the image is there still. So yeah, but if that was in there, it would go up to that starter page and do so. So let me just go back, and if we refresh and we get an image. Okay, so now if you copied your code like I have, which isn't working like I have, you should get something somewhat like this. Now, if you don't, it's fine. Just pause here and try and figure it out. It's not that hard to fix, really. Once you get the hang of it, it shouldn't be too hard. Okay, so now, as you can see, it doesn't look too nice, as the image is directly beside the link. Well, in some pages you want the link actually inside the image. Now, that is actually CSS. Now, I'm not going to go through any of that at this stage. We will next tutorial lesson, and yeah. So, if we want to move the image down or whatnot, we will do a break rule. So, open brackets, break BR for break rule. Now, what that does is it adds a line underneath your code. So, you've got a line of text and a line of text underneath. If you got 2 lines of text and you want to split it in half in a line, you'd put a break rule directly in half or where you want the text to break. So if we save that, we reset the image, it will actually break rule the line. Alrighty then. So now our image link. Now let's actually do it within this image. So highlight the image. We're gonna do another link. So if you're smart, you can figure it out. So we're gonna say http www.google.com. Now, you're thinking, how are we gonna do this? Would we just do the image source reference inside the link? Would we change the href to the image? What? Now, if you thought putting the image reference inside image source inside the link as a text, like we got click here to Google, you are correct. That is how we make our image go to our link. Okay, so we just do that. I'll do that simply, and we'll go images, image1.png, and we'll close that. So now if we refresh, we can click that and we'll take us to google.com. Now mine's google.com.au. I'm getting G mixed up with D here. Now yeah. So yeah. Alrighty, so let's add a little bit of neatness to it so it doesn't look too bland and bunched up in an area. Okay, so let's add a little simple thing here, saying if the image doesn't show, add text. So alt equals image 1 here. Now that will actually show that the image is there if it isn't there. So if we go do that, we can say it actually shows text. So it will always show something. Always, if you have the alt there. So let's just keep that there. Alrighty guys, that'll be it for this lesson. And tomorrow we'll go over some CSS. We'll end up changing this to center, a header tag, green background, adding some div tags, and some styling. Now, I'll put in the description that I'll put in the description the subreddit, the Twitter link, and the Facebook link. Now, use the subreddit if you have any problems, issues, or errors or bugs. The community will try and help, and I will try and help as much as I can when I get time to. And follow us on Twitter. Follow me on Twitter, or actually follow us on Twitter for more information of Voyous, the development that's going on of our game, and follow us on Twitter for some more Voyous news. But I'll also be posting some web developing news for this series up, and yeah. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.